my name's Jayden. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy chocolate cake. So, you will need baking powder, cocoa powder, butter, eggs, flour, sugar, and vanilla essence. Okay, so now you will need to set the oven onto 180 Celsius. But make sure you put this onto the baking channel, which is a square with 2 lines. So, most importantly, you need to wash your hands so no germs can get onto your cake. First step, you'll need to spray 2 pans. Now we've done our prep, let's get baking. So, first you'll need to get your butter and cut out 175 grams. Use the guide that should be on your packet. So now you will need to cut the butter into smaller little pieces. 10 seconds should make it softer. Now we will need to put the butter in with the sugar. Now we're going to mix it till it looks light and fluffy. Now that the mixture is light and fluffy, you want to add the eggs one at a time. Now that we have finished with our butter and sugar and egg, we can now move this to the side and start with our dry ingredients. Now I'll mix the dry ingredients together. Once it is all mixed in, and you've got the powder off the sides, it should drip like this. Now that we've got our mixture in the cake tins, we need to put it in the oven, but be careful, it's hot. Now that our cakes are cooling, we can start off with our icing. Now for the fun bit. We'll start with putting the icing in the middle of the cake. You can then get the second part of the cake and put that on top. When you've done that, you can put the rest of the icing on the top. Doesn't it look awesome? Well, I'm going to make it more awesome. We'll start by putting the Maltesers on the cake. Now let's go on to the Oreos.